Meet Emma, a curious girl who sneaks onto her rooftop one night to get a closer look at the stars. To her amazement, one of the constellations comes to life. It's Cosmo, a friendly star creature who invites her on a magical journey. Emma and Cosmo ride a comet through the galaxy, encountering sparkling planets and playful space creatures. The duo arrives at the moon, where they discover a lively dance party hosted by Luna, the Moonlight Queen. Emma and her newfound friends catch shooting stars, each carrying a special wish. They decide to make their own wishes and send them back to Earth. With hearts full of joy, Emma and Cosmo return to Earth, promising to cherish the magic they discovered in the night sky. As Emma wakes up on her rooftop, she realizes that the enchanting adventure was more than just a dream. The magic of the night sky will always be a part of her. Thank you for joining Emma and her celestial friends on this starry adventure. May your nights be filled with dreams as magical as the night sky.